going to do is we're going to look at our budgeted balance sheet. We're going to look at the budgeted balance sheet for the whole quarter, not just for each month. And the reason is because throughout the quarter, we had some underapplied factory overhead and some overapplied factory overhead, and it kind of changes month to month. And so basically doing the balance sheet by month is going to be a bit of a hot mess. So we're just going to do it for the quarter, which means we're creating the balance sheet as of June 30th, 2017. All right, let's get this done. So our balance sheet, oh, look at that. I already have it populated. Why don't I go ahead and delete that? All right, here we go. So for our cash on our June balance sheet, we're going to go to our cash budget and find our ending cash. There we go. Our accounts receivable, remember our accounts receivable is only going to be the 70% of June sales. So we're going to go plus, I'm going to go here, our June sales times 0.7. Remember, we know that because I'm going to find it right here. Right here. It says receivables, 70% is going to be on credit and it's collected in the following month. Okay, so 70% of our June sales is going to be in accounts receivable. Our raw materials inventory is going to be, let's go back over here, over here, and go to raw materials. And our ending inventory in June is 2,100 units. And we know that raw materials are $12.70 a unit, so times $12.70. Okay, you're saying, how do I know that? We know that because it tells us this right here, $12.70 a pound, and it says it somewhere, the other one is $12.70 a pound. It tells us a couple times. All right, our finished goods inventory is going to be I'm going to go back over here. It's going to be our finished goods of our ending inventory is 8,400 units times $11.50, which is our product cost. Okay. Remember, product cost we got right here. Okay. So our total current assets are going to be $470,250, and I'm just going to pull up my answer key right, make sure I haven't made any mistakes. Oh, it looks like I'm in good shape. All right, equipment. So we know we bought $55,000 worth of equipment during the quarter, right? So it's going to be a previous balance of equipment plus 55,000. Our accumulated depreciation. So we know we've been booking, and I'm going to go back over here. We know we have been booking $5,000 of depreciation a month, right? So our accumulated depreciation is going to be our previous minus 5,000 a month, or 15,000 for the quarter. And so our net equipment is going to be 430,000, and our total assets is going to be our current assets plus our net equipment. So our total assets are $900,250. All right, our accounts payable. Remember, the only thing we said was in accounts payable was direct materials, and we're paying those 1 month in arrears. So if we go to our ending direct materials, ending inventory. Oh no, that was wrong. Oh yeah, it's going to be the same amount. So our direct materials purchases, sorry, my bad. Okay, so our direct materials purchases for June is going to be in accounts payable. Short-term notes payable, remember, was 0. We haven't need to borrow since we paid it off in April. Our income taxes payable, we're going to get that from our budgeted income statement because we didn't pay any income taxes. So all of that is payable. And I know that because it says no cash payments for income taxes are to be made during the second calendar quarter. So all of those income taxes are owed. Because the balance was 0 in March, then I know that it must have already been paid off. So our current liabilities are going to be $155,000. Oh, yeah, no, that's right, $155,583. Our long-term note payable, we haven't changed that. We haven't borrowed anything. We haven't paid anything. So it's still $200,000. So our total liabilities are going to be $355,583. Our common stock, as far as we know, we haven't done anything with that. So I'm just going to carry over the March balance. And our retained earnings, if you remember from accounting 301, beginning retained earnings plus net income minus dividends equals ending retained earnings. Okay, so our beginning retained earnings, 31,580. Our net income for the quarter is 178,087. And from our cash budget, we remember that our dividends were 100,000. So our ending retained earnings are going to be 109,667. So 109,667. Our total equity will be 544,667. And if we've been incredibly good people and done this correctly, then our total liabilities of 355,583 plus our total stockholders' equity of 544,667 should equal 900,250, and it does. So our balance sheet balances, and that is going to include our master budgeting module. Thank you for sticking with me through all of this. Remember, if you have questions, I have office hours Thursday 1 to 2 via Zoom. Go to ConferZoom in Canvas, and you can reach out that way. You can also email me at any time, day or night. I will not be responding at any time, day or night, but I'll get it when I get it. All right, guys, have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.